Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel BIM with Gauri, BIM Plus Design channel. So guys, in today's tutorial, I will show you how to create multiple levels in Revit using Dynamo. So see, I am using Revit 2024 version and I have already opened my Dynamo by going to the Manage tab and then clicking here on the Dynamo. And then from Dynamo window, I have opened my new workspace. Okay, so now we will be using different nodes for creating levels. So one of the most important node that we are going to use here is level dot by level and offset. So how can you get this node here? By writing level, you get this node. This is the basic node and this is present in Dynamo, all the packages. So this is the node. Okay, so this basically requires these two requires input. Okay, so here this requires a level input. We can simply write level and give it level input. See, I am connecting this here and I want a level above level 1. So I am giving level 1 this. And then here we require the offset. We can simply enter the offset in the code block. I have double clicked here, a code block appeared. So I want next level to be 5 meter above the current level. So see, my script already run because this is in the automatic mode. Okay, so let's go back to the Revit and see, is the level created? See, this level is created 5 meters above from this level as we have entered that. Okay, this is not able to take the dimension. We can simply measure here. Say this is 5 meter. Okay, so by this way we have just created one level. We can create multiple levels using this same blocks. See, here I have just entered one value here. So guys, we can add multiple levels here. Like I can add 4 meter. Like I've added the third level above 5 meter. Now I'm adding 3 meter above, 2 meter above, and 6 meter above. So this basically requires a closed span as well to perform it right. So guys, the script is already run. So let's get back into the model to see the levels. See, these are the levels that I have created using Dynamo. So see how easy this is to create levels using Dynamo. Instead of manually putting the levels, we can use the same script in multiple projects and just simply by changing the number, we can generate levels. Okay, so this is a very quick way to save time while modeling in Revit using Dynamo. So guys, I hope you liked this video and liked my content. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will bring more such informative videos again and again.